Hi guys, let's draft this beautiful one-hand dress. You are to trace your full basic body because this is a one-hand dress. And then by the sides, you're coming down 8 cm, and below the waist at the center front, you're going to come down 13.5 centimeters. Now this measurement actually varies. It depends on you, how low you want your seam to be or how high you want it to be. At the armhole part, you're going to come up 3 cm. And this is up to you, how high or how low you want your neckline to be. But for this draft, you're going to come down 4 cm. From the neckline, that's the original neckline, you're coming down 4 cm, and then also from the bust point, you're going to measure 13.5 cm above the bust point, because we want the neckline is going to be a bit high. I create that to prevent any form of excess. So for this draft, we are going to have a 1 cm dart created along the dart legs, and also a 0.7 to a 1.5 cm dart along the armholes, and also a 0.7 to a 1.5 cm dart along the new neckline. And you should also have it in mind that this is a full front piece, so you need to put your darts that you're creating on both sides. you trace out these new patterns and then you tape down all your newly created dots. You come up 3 cm along the armholes. It has to be the same measurement as your front, so that when you are sewing, your points at every single edge would meet. The shoulder measurement should also be the same as the shoulder measurement at the front. And then at the neckline, we are going to come down 10 cm. You just connect all the points together and trace out your new patterns. Let me know if you want to see the sewing process on how to use this pattern. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!